Welcome to Smart Kids. Subscribe my channel, share and like my videos. Good morning children. How are you all? I hope you all are safe and healthy with your family. I hope you all are enjoying your lesson and study very well. We are going to learn English subject. In English subject, we are going to learn new lesson. In class 1, we are going to learn English subject. Our subject is we are opposites. We are opposites. Number 1, listen, sing and enact. Children, opposite means different from each other. In this picture, you can see there are two girls. One girl has long hair, another girl has short hair. We are opposites and I will tell you more. I say after and you say before. I come in and you go out. We are opposites. Let's give shout. Children, you can see there are two opposites. After, before. In, out. They are saying to each other, we are completely opposite to each other. One is saying, I say after and you say before. I come in and you go out. We are opposite. I look up and you look down. In this picture you can see one girl, she is looking up, another is down. I like to walk and you run to town. I am small as smaller can be. You are big, much bigger than me. In this picture you can see one girl she is looking up, another girl is down. One girl is walking, another girl is running. In this picture one girl is small, another is big. They are completely different from each other. I say stop and you say go. We are opposite, I told you so. We are opposite, it's like I said before. Think on your own if you want any more. I think it's hot, you think it's cold. I say it's new, you say it's old. Children, in this picture you can see one girl is saying stop, another girl is saying go. One girl is saying hot, another girl is saying cold. One girl is saying new, another girl is saying old. They are saying opposite to each other. Now we'll learn more opposite words. Day, night, day, night, hot, cold, hot, cold, new, old, new, old. Children, in this picture you can see day, night, hot, cold, new, old. Up, down. You can see the arrow is up, another arrow is down. One box you can see, it is closed, another box is open. Happy, sad faces you can see, happy, sad. Cold, hot. Eyes you can see, eyes is cold and tea is hot. Bus you can see, bus is fast, nail is slow. Boy, girl. You can see go, stop. Single you can see, green single means go, red means stop. Big, small, day, night, front, back, full, empty. One glass is full, another glass is empty. Now we'll learn more opposite words. White, black, white, black, boy, girl, fast, slow. There is a fast rabbit and Tota is slow, light, heavy, empty, full. You can see the plate. One plate is empty, another is full. You can see the pencil. One pencil is long, another is short. Dog is asleep, another dog is awake. One boy you can see is carrying heavy, light. Another man is carrying light things. Start, finish, awake, asleep, awake, asleep, awake, heavy, light, start, finish. Black, white. You can see black bear and white bear. Happy elephant, sad elephant, little mouse and big elephant. You can see in this picture, children, black bear, white bear, happy elephant, sad elephant, little mouse and big elephant. Now we'll learn more opposite words. Young, old, young, old. You can see young boy, old woman, poor, rich, poor, rich. One boy you can see he is walking, another man is running. Walk, run, walk, run. Young, old, poor, rich, walk, run, walk, run. You can see one woman is pulling. Pull, push, pull, push. Teach, learn. Teach, learn. One woman is teaching, another boy is learning. Danger, safe. Danger, safe. Now we'll learn more opposite words. Asleep, awake. Light, heavy. Start, finish. Children, in this picture you can see there are so many opposite words we have learned now. Sleep, awake. Heavy, light. Start, finish. See, in this they are opposite to each other. Pictures are opposite to each other. Asleep, awake. Heavy, light. Start, finish. Hungry, full. Hungry means very hungry. Full means full. Slow, you can see slow tortoise and fast tortoise. And work, there is one man is walking, another man is playing. Hungry, full. Slow, fast. Walk, play. Hungry, full. Slow, fast. Walk, play. Narrow, wide. You can see narrow bottle and wide pot. Kind, you can see one woman, she is very kind, another woman is very mean. You can see one woman, she is sick, another woman is healthy. Narrow, wide, kind, mean, sick, healthy. Now we'll learn more opposite words. Hot, cold. You can see tea is hot, ice is cold. You can see one boy he is dry, another is wet. He is carrying umbrella, another is not carrying umbrella. Dry, wet. Another girl you can see, one girl is healthy, another girl is unhealthy. Now we all have learned opposite words. So children, I hope you all enjoy this lesson very well. Children, I hope you all enjoyed this lesson very well. But you all had to revise this lesson one more time at home. Children, you all had to revise this lesson at home. I hope you all are enjoying your lesson and study very well. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye. Enjoy your lesson at home and study at home. Take care of yourself. Enjoy your lesson and study at home very well. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel. Please share and like my videos and subscribe to my channel. Subscribe my channel.